Jackson and I'm back with another guitar tutorial. This time we're focusing on the acoustic guitar. So currently I'm in D standard tuning, so that's a D, G, C, F, A, and D. When I'm strumming chords on acoustic guitar, I never generally use a pick. That's because firstly, you don't need one. Playing acoustic guitar without a pick gives you a lot of rhythmic control. And secondly, it's just more plastic in the landfill at the end of the day. There are two techniques I use to strum without a pick. The first is by pinching my index finger and my thumb together to use the nail of the index finger when I strum down, like that. So I'll do it with the A minor. And then use the nail of my thumb to strum up. So that's like kind of like the main technique. It's nice for sound. It kind of mimics a pick in terms of strum up and down. You just kind of rotate your hands a little bit like so. I'll give a little example here. Now the second technique uses your index finger to strum down and pull up. And you can use your thumb quite easily to pick the bass note. And also if you want, you can use your pinky to anchor. Another great thing about not using a pick is how quickly you can go from strumming to finger picking. Back in my grommet days, if I would be using a pick to strum and all of a sudden I'd want to just pick with my fingers, I'd just have to quickly drop it on the ground in order to not lose time. But these days I just don't use a pick and it's a lot easier. A nice little finger picking exercise for helping with control and use of the pinky finger is playing a chord, just slowly plucking 5 strings in a rhythm, starting from your thumb and going down each finger. I'll show you that right now. And you want to keep your thumb quite a distance away from your fingers, so each finger has a good follow through. So you want. See, I already stuffed it up. You can see I got a lot of work to do myself. Change chords. You just want to keep it slow. There's no point in rushing it. It's just about control, keeping your fingers even, keeping your right hands just good, all your fingers clear of each other. And then it's especially good when you just use your fingers because it's just super easy to switch between the two. It's just, I find it really ideal. I don't have to spend any money on picks, just a bit of practice. And to be honest, I think it's a bit more rhythmically soulful as well because you're able to kind of get close with your palm and your hand and start like slapping the guitar or whatever, and kind of use it as, because it's not just a melodic instrument. Really, like, it's got there's a lot of ways you can hit it, make percussive sounds with it, so yeah, give it a go.